So now that you have your list organized and you have your one-liners created, now's the time you're going to be uploading them into your Entersoft or high-level account. And this is going to be, the final step before you can start, tagging and doing all the rest of those things. So what we're going to do is you're going to come out. Obviously, you're going to come into your dashboard. You want to come into your contact section, and you're going to be going into import contacts right here. Hit import contacts, and what it's going to do is going to ask you to upload a file. So have that here. That is, we have to go documents, and there we go. So right here, I know that this one is the one I was editing that has all the one-liners and all the rest of that stuff in it, because that's why I tagged it to one-liner. So this was the original, and this is the one that has the one-liners added into it. So whatever that is for you, make sure that you pick the proper file and then upload it in there. And see, this is where we're going to be mapping the fields. This is an important part of the process. Obviously, you want the company name. The city, I think, is important. The address, you could put that in there as the address, right? And then come down into region, state. I guess that would be the state, because it's the same thing. It's in, it's a province, country, phone number, email, website. That's the most important parts until you come all the way down to the very end where it says, see, warmer AI personalization. Whatever you named the one-liner column, you can actually map that column right here. So it's going to be whatever you named that one in your spreadsheet, it's going to show up right here, and then this is going to be information. Where you want to map that is you want to map that to, where is it here? Custom one-liner, right? So this is a custom field that we created in the other videos. Remember the large text custom one-liner. So you want to map it to that on the contact card. So you hit custom one-liner and you map it to that large text. So that's all you need to do. And then you want to don't import data with unmatched columns, because you don't need all the extra data. A lot of the stuff that those scraping programs grab, you don't need all the data. You just need the basics. So you would just go like that and hit next. And then when you want to hit advanced, you want to add a tag. So these are HVAC. So that I want to add a tag to the HVAC, because remember, when you tag them, that's what's going to allow them to show up into your opportunity section, because we have that automation already built from the other video. So make sure that you tag them here. That's most important. And then all you're going to do is hit submit. And then click here. We're going to see the progress. So obviously they're doing the import there. These are going to be the leads that show up. Now, where are you guys going to see this? See, these are HVAC. We tagged them HVAC all right here. So it's uploading the list right here. And then we have their email. We have the phone number. So what you want to do is go in. We're going to click into this one, into the contact card, right? Additional info. Okay, that's not where it is. General info. That's where the general info. Okay. Just looking for the one-liners, where they're going to be. Let's see. Additional information. There it is. Custom one-liner right here. So I have all these other information. This is from like the questions that we ask in the process. So these are all showing up here as well. But see where it says custom one-liner, this is where we upload it. Now this information is showing up right here. So now it's mapped to that person's email address and that person's field. So when you guys go back to your automations, which we'll show, we're just going to show you one more so you know that it's all the ones that are uploaded should have a one-liner in it. So now we'll go down to this one. And we go down into general info, more info, come down here. See the one-liner, it is full there. So the one-liner is mapped to this person, and it's always based off of the email address. That's like the unique identifier that they use. So now what you would do is you go into your automation and check out how this is all going to work. So when you guys go into, say, HVAC right here. So when they're tagged, when you drag it over and it sends it, when it's cold email manifesto and they have a tag of HVAC, it'll send this email address, right? And what this email has in it is that contact custom one-liner, it'll pull that in right here. So you guys don't have to worry about it pulling in the right way, because when it goes to send this email address to that person with that email address, it's a part of their contact card. So it'll pull their first name and the one-liner that you put in there. This is where it will pull it into this email. So that's where it'll be very specific to that person. You don't have to worry about doing it individually and writing the emails individually, because it's going to pull that one-liner in. Now, the base of your email is going to be the same no matter what business it is, because that's going to be the basis of your whole email campaign. And then you know that you don't have to worry about the one-liners being sold. You just pull those contact cards over into the send email, and it'll send them with the proper custom one-liner. So that is the basics of how you guys are going to be able to run these campaigns. There is going to be another video coming out here that's going to be showing you guys how to use the Norns AI if you guys are going to be using that. And there'll be access for you guys to be able to grab that tool as well below the video. So hope that helped you out. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below, and we'll answer them as best we can. Okay, so you guys have a good rest of your day, and thanks for watching.